I know what you're thinking. Marissa, why are you up so early? My body don't let me sleep. She says, you want to sleep in? Who's sleeping in? Not today, sis. Not when we've been blessed in this lifetime with this life. So I've been up since 5:50. Sorry, 5:30. Where did I get 5:50? I'm gonna brush my teeth. I put my workout clothes on already. I'm gonna put a hat on. I'm gonna go get a coffee, go park down by the lake because it's still early enough where there won't be a ton of people there, and I'm gonna go on a nice long walk, come home, do my at-home workouts, and start my day. Babes, I got the goods. I repeat, I got the goods. And they had my favorite juice at Starbucks, which such an underrated find. My thing is like, okay, if I'm gonna go get coffee, I need to also do something. I need to roll up my window because nobody can fucking hear me. My thing is, if I'm gonna go get a coffee, I have to do something nice for my body first. So these are the Green Devotion Evolution juices, and the base of it is celery and cucumber, which I love. This literally is just greens. It doesn't taste that great. It very much tastes like it's just greens, no fruit, no nothing. But it's so good for you. It's cold pressed. It's a good option if you don't have a juicer or you don't have a juice bar near you. I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it. These are a really good option, especially on road trips. I get these a lot, kind of like as a snack. And I really, really love having that green juice powder on me, but I thought this one also would just be kind of nice, you know? All the greens always, that's what I say, you know? As many greens as you can get is great. So I haven't even had water yet today. So I'm in a roundabout also, just so, well, second roundabout. But I haven't even had water yet. So this will be the first thing in my system. So good, so fun, so nourishing. And green juice, I swear to God, is one of the best things for your skin and for your digestion. It like is a game changer for me personally. So I'm gonna crack this baby open. Okay, why is the green light turning green the moment I like need to do something? You want to be red light city until I want you to be, or sorry, you want to, but I'm starting my intuitive cleanse today and I'm so excited. I was explaining it to my friend Brittany last night, Brittany Lesser. I love her so much. I'll link her channel down below. She's tons of workout stuff. She's also a mom, a single mom, and crushing it. She shows recipes for macros. She's also just like, she's a really great intuitive eater. Okay, babes, this is our view. Sun is still coming up. It's time to go enjoy our walk. Finished my green juice, and now I will, well, I don't drink the last bit at the end. Even when I get real celery juice, I'm like, that's where the chunky-ish is. And baby don't live for the chunky-ish, you know? But there's a recycling bin right there, so I'll go recycle it. And I am going to take my coffee and take it on a walk and go get some nice steps in. It has been such a big intention of mine, not a goal, an intention of mine to get at least 10,000 steps in. And it's so wild because you're like, when they're intentional steps in the sense of you're actually paying attention to how much you're moving, it's crazy how like, oh, okay, I should go on a walk because I haven't gotten these steps in. And then it's like, oh, I'm actually doing so much more movement and so much more activity in such a loving way. That's really good. And so also the at-home workouts that I just signed up for, I've never done them yet. I'm gonna try out the Melissa Wood at-home workouts, and the video I'm gonna do today is literally only 20 minutes. So 111. I'm so excited to see how I like those, how those feel, and how they go. So I'm gonna try them I think for a month and then do a video about it, but we'll definitely see. I'm really excited. I love her content. Okay, babes, I am back. Oh, focus on me. I am back. It was, oh, I hate when I do that. It was so good, so fun. I walked almost 2 miles. I got close to 5,000 steps in, I think. But now I am home. I had my coffee, and now I'm gonna have some lemon water. I somehow lost my lemon press in my move, which really means it's probably just in my storage unit, but I thought I set it aside because I'm like, this is a crucial tool for my life. But I'm just gonna do some lemon water. I do room temp water. I hate cold water. I think it's the bane of my existence. Even when I like, for example, if I get like a water at Starbucks, I'm like, no ice. Hold the ice, Brenda. Extra lemon light. Hi, neighbor. The walk was so nice, so refreshing. Love, 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 love walking around the lake. Okay, now I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna go do my meditation. And yeah, I did a quick 3-minute meditation in my car before I left this morning, but I want to go do my 11-minute meditation. So yeah, doing the master key meditation for 40 days. Very excited, restarting, because if you, in Kundalini, if you miss a day of your practice, you have to start back from day 1. So bruh, this shit is no joke. Okay, I see you, Melissa Wood, out here ruining my, oh, now you want us to stretch after you just ruined my life. Coming back up onto all fours. And that left hand. Oh, I got a wall there. God damn it. Melissa, we got pause. Okay, babe, so I finished up all my calls for today. I have did all my calls. I finished a course that I'm taking right now, and I am now going to do a little bit of meal prep. As I have been talking about on Instagram, I am starting an intuitive cleanse, and really what it's going to be is really medical medium focused. It's all about Project Blissful Body. This is how Project Blissful Body started, is that I wanted to do an intuitive cleanse and all these things. And then day 1, shaking all of it up, all of the mold in my body actually sent me into a downward spiral, making me feel like I had the flu mixed with like the worst food poisoning in my life. It was like actually tragic, and Medical Medium has a whole episode on mold exposure that I never even saw or listened to or anything. And my friend Marie and I, we listened to it yesterday, and there's this part within, like, thought we were gonna die, it's fine. There's this part within like 13 minutes to like 16 minutes that literally is spot on about what happened. So really crazy, long story short. But basically, I am jumping into this intuitive cleanse. I have just been so called to do it. So how it's kind of gonna go is really, I again have just been so called to do this, so it's loving movement every day, walking every day. I walked almost 2 miles this morning around the lake and just got some fresh air and just, you know, got out there. I had my lemon water, I had a green juice, and so every morning I want to do a walk of some kind. I just happened to go out to the lake today because it's the weekend, and then, you know, tomorrow is Monday and I'll probably just go to the trail right by my house, and it doesn't take longer than like 30 minutes. Everyone has 30 minutes to take themselves on a little walk, and I just think it's really good to move your body first thing in the morning in some way. So in the morning doing green juice, I'm going to be doing mainly celery juice, lemon water, cutting back on my coffee usage because I drink so much coffee. Everyone was commenting about my trend to coffee. Sometimes I have like 2 or 3 of those a day. I can like really take a lot of caffeine, and people commenting that I'm manic. I'm not manic. I'm over caffeinated at all times. And also it's just like, I talked about this on Instagram, but being out of that apartment, I had no idea how out of it I was and how bad my brain fog was, how bad my energy was. I had been telling Liz, like, I just feel so like meh. I feel so like disassociated with my own life and just like so weird. Not even in like a super bad or depressed way, just super like meh, super neutral. And that's actually a side effect. So anywho, getting on with it, I am going to be doing the heavy metal detox smoothie by Medical Medium every day. I am going to be doing mainly raw for, you know, morning and afternoon time. Medical Medium has this this roasted veggie pasta salad that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna prep ahead of time. So if I do want something kind of more satisfying during lunchtime, it's just something easy to grab and go. And he also has this really great potato salad recipe. And I think that that's just like so good and fun for summer. And those are both things that the more they sit, kind of the better they taste. And I'm making big batches of everything also because I am traveling tomorrow. Tuesday I'm again traveling, but also seeing one of my best girlfriends. And then this week I also have a friend or two coming in town. So it's always nice just to have lots of good, yummy food on hand. And like old me would have been like, oh, I can't do this intuitive cleanse right now. I have to do this. I have to go here. Like, how is this gonna work? I'd be so stressed out about food. But like, really, food is meant to be, I say this all the time, food is meant to be so fun and nourishing and like feel good. The energy you put into your food, I feel like matters more sometimes than the actual food you're eating. So I will link the recipes down below to these Medical Medium recipes because I think they're really good and I'm kind of just doing my own spin on them. But the basis of the intuitive cleanse that I'm doing is just a lot of raw fruits and vegetables, lower fat. That's kind of how I eat already. And just really listening to my body and, you know, making it as nutrient dense, superfood dense as possible, and really just like giving my body what it's been craving. And I also started a new 40-day Kundalini practice like I was telling you guys. I started a new gratitude practice with two of my best girlfriends. Every morning we voice memo each other, like this whole list of things that we do. If you guys want to see a video on that, it's a really great, easy manifesting technique. And really just like shifts your energy and puts you in like such a better mood, you know? But I'm just chopping up these baby golden potatoes to boil and have nice and ready. Some of them I'm going to make the potato salad recipe for, and then some of them I'm just gonna have ready if I want to throw in an air fryer. So to give you kind of an idea, and I will do what I eat in a day videos while doing this, but to give you kind of an idea of what a day of eating like this for the cleanse will look like, is in the morning have my lemon water and green juice. Majority of the time will be a celery juice. I'll have a 4-Sigmatic coffee if I really want one. I will want one, just letting you guys know right now. And then later in the morning having my heavy metal detox smoothie. I probably will have either some form of a really big salad or that veggie pasta salad, have an adrenal snack by Medical Medium, which is celery, apple, and 2 dates. And then probably a green smoothie. There's this green smoothie, the glowing goddess smoothie I've been making. So amazing. I have a whole video. I filmed it yesterday. That'll be out very soon. But yeah, really just focusing on really good, nourishing foods. Oh, sorry, I got distracted. Let me think. Snack, also green smoothie, just for snacks, like really hydrating things also, like cucumbers, apples, like all those things. And you know, lots of, again, smoothies. If I want a juice, I'll have a juice. Just focusing on raw mainly during the day. And then I think that for dinner, I know. That for dinners I'm really gonna do a lot of potatoes as well, and then lots of steamed asparagus and just lots of greens. So really simple, really easy. It's not about depriving yourself from food at all. It's about nourishing yourself on every level possible. And when you focus on eating whole plant foods, you don't have to fucking worry about calories. I swear to God, I have not measured anything in such a long time. I have not weighed anything in such a long time. And I look great, feel great, and I'm just excited to look better and even feel better, you know what I mean? So yeah, we are going to pop these in the boiling water. Actually just ordered all this looks sponsored. I actually just ordered all this Bonza pasta off Amazon. Just like I got a few different ones. I thought this one would be really good for the pasta salad. The rotini like holds, you know, like hold things better. Shells also. I think like there's 6 of them, and I think it was only like $12, which is so good for Bonza pasta. Also, I found this, which is amazing. The ingredients are raw cashews, water, coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, rosemary, basil, sage, tarragon, thyme, parsley, lavender, chives, garlic, oregano, salt, and probiotic cultures. Amazing. So good. These are absolutely one of my favorite snacks in the world. Onion sea snacks and the lime ones. Also, I'm trying to have 2 red or pink apples a day. Medical medium swears by apples, and what medical medium says goes, you know what I mean? Also, the potato salad and the pasta salad are really easy things to like put a ton of fresh herbs and veggies in. So just like one of those really easy ways to get all those things in. Okay, babe, so I have about probably 3 tablespoons of fresh dill chopped up and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped up parsley, both great fresh herbs for the body. I have some scallions chopped up. Those are also great for the body, but I also just really love the flavor of them. I'm over here snacking on these peas. Delicious. My lentil pasta is going. I have this herb cheese that I'm gonna use instead of what's it called? Instead of tahini for the potato salad. And my potato salad with the peas is just cooling down in here right now. I also have some micro broccoli, like really nutrient dense, that I'm gonna add to them. And when I eat the potato salad, guys, how I'm gonna eat it is something like this. What I did yesterday when I made it. I used half a bag of this lettuce and just mixed it in, because potato salad is so like saucy itself, you know? Where I then just use the potato salad as like a dressing for my salad, and it's a really easy way to get greens in. As I mentioned before, I will be keeping it pretty low fat during the intuitive cleanse, but having meals like that where it's just raw cashews, so for example that cheese, there is fat in it, but it's from raw cashews, that will be kind of like my fatty meal for the day, and just like being really aware of the fat that I have. So I'm not really having avocados, I'm not really having anything else like that. But yeah, so that's gonna be kind of my more fatty meal, we can call it. I naturally also do a lower fat diet because I noticed that fat just makes me tired, and I'm swapping out tahini for that cheese because for some reason cashews don't make me that tired, but tahini, I used to make a lot of sauces and dressings with tahini, and now I only do that at night because I know it makes me sleepy. Okay, babes, this is all done. It does not, actually, you know what? I think this looks delicious. So what I did some organic yellow mustard. I used the cheese we talked about, tons of fresh herbs, fresh dill, fresh parsley. I did tons of black pepper. That's cayenne on top again. The cheese sauce is the cheese spread that I showed is what makes it kind of creamy. If you're not following medical medium, you could use vegan mayo, or use the tahini like he suggested. Mustard is a must-have for me personally. Potato salad is not potato salad without mustard, in my opinion. And it doesn't even like taste like mustard, it just tastes really similar. So I'm gonna have that. I'll probably eat that for lunch or dinner the next couple days on that really big bed of lettuce like I showed you. But I'll be doing some what I eat in a day videos, so you'll see all about that. Now I'm getting ready to make my healthy pasta salad, and I can't wait. Very excited.